Hello and welcome to Bollywood Wala. I am Sonam Dosto. The fiery and the feisty Kangana Ranaut has called the Gen Z protesters Generation Gutter. That is what Kangana Ranaut has said. Kangana Ranaut, let me tell you something, always speaks straight from her heart. And this time around, she has been firing on all cylinders. क्या कहा कंगना रनावत जी ने, मैं आपको रीड करके सुनाता हूं दोस्तों. शी राइट्स, ये उनको उनके इंस्टा स्टोरी पे उन्होंने लगाया था. उन्होंने ये लिखा, नेवर इन माई लाइफ आई हैव सीन सो मच अगलीनेस इन वन प्लेस. These reels from Gen Z protests are puke inducing. The way they speak and the kind of language they are using, never in my life I have seen everything in each and every frame so jarring and so crass all at once. Who is birthing and raising them? India is a place of diversely beautiful people, draped in elegance and rooted in cultural sophistication. You call yourself cockroaches and look, behave like them as well. There is no paradox or juxtaposition there. Just simply subjecting the world to your filth, garbage, and ugliness. I'm scarred from these reels, need some healing digital detox. ये कहा कंगना रनावत जी ने दोस्तों. और आगे लिखती है, ये भी कहा कंगना रनावत जी ने, women who are truly independent, they make rebellious choices, bold opinions, unconventional career moves, and they take accountability for their actions. They have to cause they are on their own. They don't do this at the cost of their parents or families. Here is a new generation of so-called westernized Indian women. I call them Generation Gutter. They proudly flaunt their freedom to have drugs, drinks, or endless body counts and shamelessly live off their parents' earnings and constantly fight to live independent lives without actually being independent. Gentle reminder, independent life needs to be earned. If you try to live independently without accountability, you are just a distorted entity. Gutter chop! Gutter chop! ये कहा है कंगना रनावत जी ने दोस्तों. उसके अलावा उन्होंने ये भी लिखा, protesters who are getting beaten and abused on the roads by ordinary people because of their filthy abusive reels must understand that if you speak, you also have to be prepared to listen. If you damage public property, then the public will damage you too. If you have a problem with the country and its leadership and have publicly hurled filthy abuses at them, then now listen to those who love this country and brought this government to power through their votes, because they also have the right to speak. उन्होंने न्यूटन के थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन को भी कोट किया है. एवरी एक्शन हैज इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट रिएक्शन. इफ स्टडीइंग हैजंट हेल्प्ड यू अंडरस्टैंड कॉज एंड इफेक्ट, नाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट वेल. ये कहा है कंगना रनावत जी ने दोस्तों. आपका टेक इस पर लेट मी नो. चलिए टाटा.